Hello everyone. In this series of PHP tutorials, I will try to explain to you what a PHP is and how to use it in the real world. In order to be able to use and test PHP files at all, it is necessary for us to install the Xampp, a local web server on our computer. And that is why our first task is to install Xampp, so we can start learning the PHP programming language. And now the first question: what is Xampp? Xampp is a server package intended for easy installation of Apache server or your host. It is intended for use on a local network and it includes an Apache server, mySQL server, PHP and Perl, and installs them all together with configured modules and settings. If you want to install Xampp, follow the next steps in this tutorial. First, we have to download the Xampp package from Xampp official web page. Open your browser and type Xampp. Now open the Xampp official web page, and here you can choose Xampp for Windows. Click on it and your download will start automatically. And now find your downloaded file in your downloads folder and click on it. Now just press OK. Next. And here you can check what you want to install. I have already FileZilla. I do not need Tomcat and Mercury mail server. Also Perl. And now I'm going to click Next. Choose a folder to install Xampp. That is okay. You can choose your language, but I prefer to use all in English. Uncheck and click Next. And now we have to wait a few minutes. Okay, our installation was completed successfully. Finish. If you want to start your Apache and mySQL, you have to type start and start. Also, if you want to create a shortcut on your desktop, you can just type Xampp. Now right click, open file location, find Xampp control panel, right click, send to desktop, create shortcut. And now you have your shortcut. After successful installation, go to the directory where you have installed the Xampp package. That is pcc Xampp. And now open htdocs. And this directory is actually the root directory of your web server. And to access it from your favorite internet browser, you can just type localhost and if you see this page, your installation successfully. And another way is to type and as you can see that is same. And when creating a web presentation or a PHP script, always create a new directory within the HTTP directory. For example, first test. And now go into that directory. And in order for us to test if our Xampp server is working properly, I will create a simple PHP file. And also, in order to create a website, it is necessary for us that we have some kind of a text editor. And I personally use Sublime 3 text editor. Now I'm going to create one new PHP file. You can open, for this example, Notepad++ also. And if you want to create a PHP file, you have to know that every single PHP file is surrounded with the next delimiters. That is start, and that is end. And now I will write one simple command that will display some text, which I'm going to write between quotes. That is echo command. Also, I can here check PHP echo, and my first PHP file. Okay, now file, save as. Now you have to find your Xampp folder. And htdocs, our first test folder. And here you can type index, save type as PHP. Now click on save. And now if you want to find your file, localhost, and then here slash, and now folder name. First test, and as you can see, that is your first PHP file. And in the following tutorials, I will start with the first PHP lesson, so follow my channel and click on subscribe. And thanks for your watching.